Hi there everyone, welcome to this ProWorkflow training video on how to integrate Azure single sign-on. Now as well as this video we have a guide in PDF form which will be linked in the description of this video. Now the first thing you want to do is go through to your settings, down to integration settings, and then of course go through to single sign-on and then hit connect on Azure. You'll be met with this pop-up. We're basically just going to leave it open, and in a new tab you want to go to portal.azure.com and then log in like I have here. So from here we want to go through to Azure Active Directory, we want to go to Enterprise Applications, and then we want to go New Application. So at this point you just type in ProWorkflow and there we come up there. So from this stage, very easy, just hit create and we'll just wait for that to come in. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, and we're back and the integration, well, the enterprise application has been set up and it's taken us through to the overview page. So from here, this is where we start copying links between them. So the first one that we want to do is go to single sign-on. We want a linked copy, and then we're going to go back to ProWorkflow, grab our single sign-on URL, copy that, and then paste it just here. From here, we do need to click save as well. The next thing that we need to do is jump back to the Active Directory, like so. Then we want to go to App Registrants, just there. Then we want to find our recently added app. So I type in ProWorkflow, and this is me here. So from this point, we want to go to authentication, just like that. And then we want to go back to ProWorkflow again, grab our reply URL this time, copy that, and then paste it into our redirect just there. From here we want to hit save again. And now the last one, we want to go through to expose an API. We want to go down to the Application ID URI here and hit set. At which point again, coming back to ProWorkflow, grabbing our App ID URI and then pasting it into here and then saving again. From this point here, lastly, we just need to go back to our app registrations, just like so, and then we want to go up to endpoints at the top here. This will give us a series of links. We want two of these. The first one is the Federation metadata document, just here. So we'll copy this one, and back in ProWorkflow, we want to paste that in the metadata section. The next one is the SAML-P sign-on endpoint. Sign-on endpoint, by the way, not sign out. I want to copy that through, come back to ProWorkflow, and then in here, enter that. Now, from here, we're actually done. We just need to hit the submit button, and our Azure is all set up and ready to go. Now, of course, this is a slightly involved process, so please do refer to the PDF document. But if you have any further questions or you need some clarification, just send them through to support@ProWorkflow.com or subscriptions@ProWorkflow.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.